This is a bubble envelope bag, making machine developed and produced by Zbioco Limited. The operating interface is intuitive and easy to understand. Even novice users can quickly get started to achieve stable and efficient production. The machine is equipped with a sophisticated Italian electric eye system, which can automatically identify the color code, and the cutter is able to automatically adjust the margin according to the actual size of the printed bag so as to ensure cutting accurately of each bag. In order to ensure safe production, the machine has intelligent shutdown function. If the cutter is blocked, material deviation, lack of material, and other conditions, it will immediately stop operation. Especially for the production of co-extruded film printing bags, it is the best choice. The machine feeding adopts double servo fixed length system to keep the processing stable. The hot sealing bar is precise and durable. Temperature control accuracy is +or-1. The main motor is equipped with heavy brake motor, one key control of the main engine and feed speed, quick response. The thermal laminating roller innovatively adopts electromagnetic induction heating technology to save energy and reduce maintenance. If you want to know more about bubble envelope bag making machine, please contact us by phone or email.